Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
She began to bathe 3 times daily, and thus her curling black hair gradually became grey. Due to austerity, her body gradually became thin, and she wore old garments. It is the practice of the yogi, Brahmji, Vanprastha, and sannyasi to bathe at least 3 times daily early in the morning, during noontime, and in the evening. These principles are strictly followed even by some grihasthas, especially Brahmins, who are elevated in spiritual consciousness. Devhuti was a king's daughter and almost a king's wife also. Although Kardam Muni was not a king, by his yogic mystic power he accommodated Doti very comfortably in a nice palace with maidservants and all opulence. But since she had learned austerity even in the presence of her husband, there was no difficulty for her to be austere. Still, because her body underwent severe austerity after the departure of her husband and son, she became thin. To be too fat is not very good for spiritually advanced life. Rather, one should reduce, because if one becomes fat, it is an impediment to progress in spiritual understanding. One should be careful not to eat too much, sleep too much, or remain in a comfortable position. Voluntarily accepting some penances and difficulties, one should take less food and less sleep. These are the procedures for practicing any kind of yoga, whether bhakti yoga, jnana yoga, or hatha yoga.